a lot of writers suffer with imposter syndrome. So when someone says, actually, we want to publish this, it's really validating.
Some of them just decide from the beginning that they want to self-publish. Some want to go the more traditional route, but they're sending the work out there and they're being seen.
To actually leaf through these anthologies and just see Sunday on the Boulevard by Dale Hurst, and I just,
I was able to launch a whole load of poetry in a book, and it felt amazing.
Yesterday I wrote a story and my editor said that it read like a thriller novel, and I was really proud of it.
I found out I was pregnant the same month that I was publishing my book.
The biggest ego boost ever. You've come second in this international competition.
I haven't heard anything yet from competitions, but I've put my name out there